Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 screen stays completely black, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often occurs due to a faulty display connection or a damaged screen. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, making your appliance unusable. To get started with the repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement screen for your Thermomix TM5. First, ensure that your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the Thermomix. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing with the plastic spudger, being careful not to damage any of the clips holding it together. Inside, locate the main display cable that connects to the screen. This cable is often the culprit for a black screen. Carefully disconnect the cable by pulling it straight out, ensuring you do not tug on any surrounding components. If you need to replace the entire screen, locate the screws securing the screen in place and remove them. Gently lift the screen out of its housing and replace it with the new one. Make sure the new screen is firmly seated and reattach the display cable by pushing it back into its connector. As you reassemble your device, take extra care to avoid damaging any nearby components. Replace the back casing and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Once everything is back in place, plug in your Thermomix TM5 and turn it on to check if the screen lights up. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your Thermomix is kept in a dry environment and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regularly check the connections inside your device if you're comfortable doing so. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.